Okay, so principles means what? So how the
Rights of the man.
existed. Okay, what are the rules and how to govern, how to rule the country? So how the leaders are elected. So everything are written in the constitution. So the constitution indirectly indicates that principles. So principles of man or charter of man. Okay. So this is a statue of liberty from the France. And actually French blue color indicates the symbol of liberty. Okay. Mainly the France is going to use this blue color. Even America also sometimes. And red indicates what? Red indicates the sacrifice. Sacrifice for liberty. Means sacrifice for freedom. Nobody should rule a single person. So any person is having the full independence of his own in the life. Okay, nobody can rule that person. So that is called as liberty or freedom. Now, already French has succeeded, and Germany is also dreaming to get this liberty. So that's why the German peoples also walking towards liberty. And of course, the other nations also here, Italy is there. This is the flag of Italy. So Italy and also the Poland, okay. And of course, the other countries also there, Switzerland. So all these countries, they want to be their countries to be as the nation states. They should not be ruled by any monarchies. Okay, monarchies rule should be gone. So in this way, he has drawn this picture. And here, on the top side, we can see here one image. What is this? What is the meaning for this image means? So here we can see the Jesus.
Jesus, sir. Germany flag color.
So Christ indicates that. So Christ. So the symbol Christ indicates the peace. Peace, and also all the European countries, they must exist with the fraternity. Fraternity is nothing but brotherhood. All other countries, they must exist and they must maintain good cooperation among themselves. That is called as brotherhood. So in this way, they must be existed. So that is the symbol. And also remaining other. So here we can see these angels. Angels are welcoming this kind of new concept or policy. Okay, this is called as so here we can see here outside. So okay, just move forward. Okay, so here you can see this. Also here, absolute institutions means what? Absolute institutions is nothing but so democracy. Okay, it indicates that fully democracy. Institution, nothing but democracy, and also republic. What is the meaning for republic? Republic means what?
Sir, electing the person to rule.
Yes, the head of the country or head of the nation
Will be elected by the
People.
Yes, so he is an elected person. Okay, whatever the person, either president or prime minister, whoever it may be, the head of the country, that person is an elected person. So he does not belongs to any king. There is
yes, sir.
a system. So that system is called as republic. So that's why. So republic and also democracy. Democracy means what? So all the people are present in the hands of people. People. Okay, people can rule the country and people can make the laws. Okay, by electing through their representative. So this is called as absolute institutions. Okay. So that is next. Just to move forward. So remember this concept. And next one here. Okay. So here some countries are given in the picture. So this matter totally belongs to about the picture. So which followed this one means first one is the France, their colors, and also next one is Germany. Germany also with their tricolor flag. But actually, here what is given here means the picture is drawn by this Frederick Soru or Frederick Soru. At the time, Germany is not a nation state. Nation state is not, they have full independence and government is existed by people.
Yes, sir.
But here Germany does not have the nation state at the time, because at the time still the Germany was controlled by some kings and also monarchies. But French is having the full liberty. So, but why he has represented this Germany also in that way means, so Germany also want to be as a liberty country. So that is the aim of the author, or that is the aim of the artist. An artist also belongs to, this artist is also one of the member in the German Jacobin Club. Jacobin Club. Again, new concept was came here. What is the meaning of Jacobin Club? So in the last year, while
Sir, some disturbance is there, sir.
some disturbance,
Yes, sir. From your side only, sir.
from my side, okay, see here. So here, Germany, okay, French was there, and next is the French was followed by Germany. Now here Jacobin Club was there. So what is the meaning for Jacobin Club? So in the French, what is happened means, in the French country while studying this French Revolution, so Jacobin, okay, Jacobin Club is nothing but they are the freedom fighters, or they are thinking that they are the friends of liberty. Call them as friends of liberty. So in our country, suppose if you see in our country, freedom struggle was started. At the time, who are participating in the independence struggle, so they are called as freedom fighters. So same here in the French also, they formed a separate group. They are friends of liberty and freedom. So that society is called as Jacobins or Jacobin Club. Okay, Jacobin clubs are formed. So finally, this Jacobin club was succeeded in getting independence of France. That is liberating France from Louis XVI. Okay, so in the same way here in the Germany also, Jacobin clubs are formed. So Jacobin club is nothing but the friends or a group of friends of liberty. Friends of liberty and freedom. So this is separate community. Community was formed. So the same thing was formed by Germany. Okay. Next, the Germany is also followed by other countries also. So here you can see here the peoples of Austria. So following the German peoples are the people of Austria, the kingdom of Slovakia. Okay. Kingdom of this. Okay, just kingdom of two Sicilies. So here also we can see Czechoslovakia, Slovakia one, and Czech Republic like that. So apart from these countries also is there. So Austria was there. Next, two Sicilies. So Sicilies is one of the small islands beside this Italy. So that means Italy states also followed the same thing. Next, Lombardy. Okay, Lombardy. This is a country name. Poland, England, Ireland, Hungary, and Russia. These are the peoples followed in the picture. Okay, showing that these countries also followed the same. They are also on the way to the liberty, for getting of this liberty. Next, from the heaven, so the above, the Christ, saint, and angels gaze upon the scene. So they have been used artists to symbolize fraternity among the nations of the world. Fraternity is nothing but what? They must maintain some brotherhood. All the nations, they should exist together like brothers. So that is the symbol. So in this way, this Frederick Soru, so he has shown the feelings of nationalism in this picture. Okay, and here one person was given. So his name is Ernest Renan. So Ernest Renan has given a separate definition for what is a nation. So for the first time, he has given the definition for a nation. Nation meaning. And so this Renan. So Renan, where in which occasion he has given this definition means. So in a lecture delivered at the University of So some disturbance is coming. Okay. So I'm going to mute all people. Okay.
Bhavani sir.
Is it okay? Can I mute all people?
Okay, sir.
Okay, just
No,
be
When
no,
you,
sir.
okay,
when you
just
ask questions, unmute also.
okay, just be silent. So here,
Be quiet, Datta.
okay, listen. So what is a nation according to Renan, Ernest Renan? Here delivered at the University of Sorbonne in 1882, French philosopher Ernest Renan outlined his outstanding. So here, he is one of the philosopher, French philosopher. Okay, he has given the definition for a nation. So what is a nation means? A nation is the culmination of long past of endeavors, sacrifice and devotion. Okay, here we can see one more thing. So in Renan criticized that the nation suggested by the others that nation is formed by a common language, common race, common religion, and common territory. So this is the other definition. But apart from this, he has given this definition. That is
Sir, what do you mean by race, sir? What do you mean by race?
race.
Color,
Race is nothing but
color, sir.
no.
Color,
Race
caste.
nothing but group or community. Okay, group, separate group. So our race is Indian race. Okay, color means what? Creed. So while reading this social studies, we can get race, creed, okay, religion, territory, language, like that. So creed is nothing but color. Okay, race is nothing but separate community. Okay, race. Okay, so like that. Now here he is telling that old philosopher, they are telling that separate that means the common language, common race or common community, next common religion or common territory. This is called as a nation. But here he is giving separate definition for that. Apart from that, we can also tell that a nation is a culmination of long past endeavors, sacrifice and devotion. Means what? In the olden days, many people they fought for freedom. So that is called as
For nation.
for the sake of nation. And also sacrifice. The people has sacrificed many things. Okay, their lives are sacrificed. And also devotion.
Nelluri Potti Sriramulu.
Yes. So like that. Yes, sacrifice nothing but so their life will be sacrificed for something. Okay, like that. They for the sake of their own goal or aim, like that. So they also should be considered. Not only race, religion, language, territory, like that. We must also consider these kind of things also. So that's why we can call that country as a nation, and they should be a flip side. What is for flip side? Flip side is nothing but only the people. It is their right of vote, common vote. Okay, right of common vote. It is called as right of common vote. Vote means what? So all peoples are desiring the same common goal. So any destination or any common goal like that. So that kind of ambition or aim is called as flip side. Example, if you take our country, so our total India's aim is to liberate poverty or to liberate population control. So this is called as a flip side. That means common votes. We are voting to reduce population in India. So that is throughout country, they are going to cast their vote. That means they are telling their opinion. Right vote means what here? Just their opinion. Okay. So they should have some flip side. That means common vote towards the common goal. So this is called as a nation. Okay. So all these things are meant for to understand that what is a nation, like that. Okay. So just we move forward. Okay. Nation state. Okay, just now we discussed that. So nation state, but not the rulers. So the country is not ruled by any monarchy or kings, like that. But the peoples can make decisions. That is called as a nation state. Okay, just to move forward. Okay. Next one is first among this one, the first subchapter is the French Revolution and the idea of nation. So see here. So this is totally about the nationalism. So nationalism, nothing but so how these European countries, they have started this nationalism or building of their own nation. Okay. Now see the French Revolution and the idea of nation, idea of the nation. So if you see this picture, so here we can see this the nationalism came with the French Revolution in the year 1789. So 1789 is the period where the French Revolution was started. Okay, and here the activities which are taken in the French Revolution, that also became the model or moral to other countries. So how they have fought means they have used the common identities. Okay, common political activities. So common things are happened. So the same things were that means the same things were followed by the other rest of the countries also. So if you see here, so just if you see here one picture. Okay, here one picture is there. This is a cover of German almanac designed by journalist Andrew Rebman in the year 1798. So what is the picture here means? So this is one of the Almara. If you see one Almara, so on that, so this picture was drawn. Two pictures are drawn. So these are the doors, two doors for a Almara. Okay. So on the one door we can see this picture, and the other door you can see here this picture. And the artist is Rebman. Okay, Rebman. He is a journalist. And here, what is the meaning for these two pictures? Means, so here we can see there are some. This place is called as Bastille. Bastille is name of the place. Name of the place in French. Okay. So if you see here, okay. Yes. So Bastille, suppose if you take our country, the first capital for India is Delhi. Like that here, same. The second capital for India is
Mumbai.
We can call this as the economic capital of India. The third capital for India is
Kolkata.
third capital, Calcutta, yes, or Kolkata. Fourth capital is Madras. Now it is called as Chennai. Okay, these are considered as the important cities in our country. Okay, so like that here, Bastille is there. Bastille is first capital for this France is Paris. Okay, Paris is the first capital, and the very important historical capital is Bastille. So Bastille is there. It is the capital of this France. Now here in the Bastille, all the Jacobin club people, they have attacked the General Assembly. Okay, so here we can see this picture, how they have attacked, and finally they have destroyed this total General Assembly. And finally they succeed.
Last year we have learned about it, sir.
What? Any doubt?
Last year about this picture they have given, sir.
Yes, yes. Last year also given, yes. Okay. Finally, these French people are Jacobin club. So finally, they have succeeded in getting of liberty. Now here the Germany is there. This is the Germany. So Germany also one place is there in Germany. So what is the name of the place means here? Here it is given. Its name is so Mainz. Okay, its name is just Mainz. Okay. So here we can see this. Okay. So Mainz is name of the place. So they also want to get they also want to get this liberty. Okay, that is independence. So here what the author is telling means how the French have succeeded by destroying this Bastille General Assembly. Like that, the French people, the German people also, they also must fight in the major Mage Palace is there. So here in this Mage, we can see here palace. This is one of the place. Okay. So just remember this name. Mange. Its name is Mange. Okay. In the Mange also, so German Jacobin clubs are there. Okay. Even this author also belongs to Jacobin club. They also want to do the same kind of activity in the Germany so that Germany can be liberated from the monarchies. So that is the name of the author. Okay. And now, so just we'll see here. We can see here how the peoples are having this administration. It is given here. So a new French flag. So while this revolution was broke out in the France, so they fought a separate French flag, which is having the tricolor, and they also choose to replace the former royal standard. So why this flag was chosen by French people? So to replace that royal standard, that means the kings. Okay. So instead of following these kings, so they used a separate flag. And next, the estate general. Estate general was elected by the body of active citizens and renamed the National Assembly. So in the French, they elected estate general. So there will be some general assembly. Okay, in the Bastille. So that general assembly is having one head of the person. So his name is estate general. Okay. So for this assembly, estate general will be elected. So this general assembly is called as National Assembly. And for this, the important person is like Prime Minister of India, for the parliament like that. So estate general will be there and he is elected person. Okay, like that here in the Germany also, they also want to be followed to overthrow this king's rule. Okay, that is the aim of this people. Next. So just to move forward. Okay. So here, when the news spread, when the news of events in the France reached different cities of Europe, so students and other members of educated middle class began setting up Jacobin clubs. So see here, how this French Revolution was broke out means here. So when the French have started this movement, so even this also spread to other countries also. Okay, how this Jacobins are formed like that. So this was spread from one city to other city. So first Bastille was started. So where in the Bastille also, so tennis court both is there. Last time is there in the 9th class is there, tennis court both.
Yes, sir.
In the tennis court both. So first the struggle. After that, immediately the movement was spread to other places. And France, that is Paris, Bastille. Okay, next Versailles, so many other places there. So these important cities are totally spread. The events which are occurred in these movements, so that was spread to other regions also. And immediately even the students and also the businessmen, the middle class, so every person has joined this movement. And the same things are the same things which are happened in the France. So that also spread to the other countries like Holland, okay, Belgium, Switzerland, Italy, like that. Okay. So this is about total how the spread was there. So how this movement was spread to other countries. So just move forward. So this is total about how this French Revolution was started and how these movements are spread to other countries in the Europe. Okay. And if you see here, this is about map. Okay. So see here, this is total map of Europe. So this is Russia. Next here total, it is called as British Islands or UK. So Ireland, Scotland, Great Britain, Wales. So we are calling this as a separate countries. Scotland separate country, Britain separate country, Wales separate country, like that. England separate. So 4 countries are there. Nearly 5 countries are there here. But later, this was united and they formed a single country, that is England.